Hello everyone and welcome to another class of desktop and app streaming. Today in this class we are going to discuss about App Stream 2.0. So in desktop and app streaming we are having App Stream 2.0. Now what is App Stream 2.0? It is a fully managed, secure and application streaming service. So with the help of this we can stream desktop applications from AWS to our running or device running a web browser without rewriting them. That means we can easily add existing desktop application to AWS and instantly start streaming them to a compatible browser. So what are the features? Like with the help of AppStream 2.0, we can run desktop application on any device. It is instant on access, secure applications and data. We can easily integrate with our IT environment. It is fully managed service, consistent and scalable performance. So run desktop applications on any device. That means application 2.0 provides user instant on access to the application they need and a very responsive and fluid user experience on the device of their choice. So this is instant on access. That means we can maintain a single version of each application which make application management very much easier. So with the help of these features we have application management very much easier and we can use application in any time which is compatible with our browser. Now we are having some key concepts: stack, fleet, image and image builder. So, stack. We have to set up an AppStream 2.0 stack to start streaming application to user browsers. An application stream 2.0 stack consists of a fleet of streaming instances, user access policies and storage configuration. That means this stack contains instances, it contains user access policies and various storage configurations. Now what is a fleet? The fleet in AppStream 2.0 stack, it contains various streaming instances that can scale automatically and which is totally based on demand. AppStream 2.0 image contains application which is required to be streamed to users, those who are accessing application stream 2.0 stack. Image builder, that means we required to install your application and then we require to create an image by using AppStream 2.0 image builder. So this is an authentication workflow. Let's discuss about. Now this is a browser interface. Here we have the users. This is AppStream 2.0. Here we have various applications that we require to use. So user browses a particular URL. It goes to Federation service to authenticate. For authentication, we have LPAP store. Here, the user will be authenticated. After that, the request to be forwarded to interface and it will forward to Amazon Web Services SAML endpoint sign-in, through which we can access various streams in AppStream 2.0 and we can render application to users browser. So this is authentication workflow. That means for any access we require to authenticate ourselves. Controlling access to Amazon AppStream 2.0. That means IAM users identity and access management users do not have permission to create or modify AppStream 2.0 resources. We require to perform tasks using 2.0 API. Now what if we require to use IAM users? That means to allow IAM users to create or modify resources and also to perform various tasks, we require to create some policies that grant permissions to resources and API actions. Then only the IAM user can access application stream 2.0. So while creating AppStream 2.0 resources, required to make API calls to other AWS services on behalf of the user. This authentication is specified by particular roles, IAM roles. These are created by the service when the user start started with the service in the region. So what is the process to deploy application? Now we are having AWS Marketplace for desktop applications, line of business applications, where we own a license. Now all of these are placed in this WAM catalog. Catalog is a workspace application manager. We can deploy applications and we can have Amazon Workspace users through which we can use all these applications. So your application, suppose this is our application catalog on WAM console. We have to select applications. We have to search for user in the directory and we require to assign them various applications and then we can have access of those. So we can use Amazon Workspace's application manager, which is Amazon WAM, to deploy application to workspaces, which is created for users. So we require to add application to catalog. Then we require to assign application to users. After you assign, they can connect and install the application. So how to create WAM applications? So we require to create package and validate the package installs and works correctly. So we require two special EC2 instances for this. After that, we should launch an entire new packing instance that is created. Amazon WAM required to have permission to perform actions on your behalf. That means you can grant this access using IAM role. By default, IAM users don't have permission to access these resources. To allow IAM user to perform actions on WAM resources, we require to create a policy that give access to or user permission to access the WAM. This IAM role allows WAM packing instance to your package catalog. So this is about AppStream 2.0 in desktop and AppStream. Thank you so much.